Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know, at para sa video ito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa headshots ng Miss Cosmo 2024. And yeah, sobrang excited na ako guys na makita tong mga headshot nila at syempre magkomento na rin tayo sa kanilang photos. Alright. Grabe yung Miss Cosmo ngayon, no? Talagang pinag-uusapan siya ngayon sa mundo ng pageantry. Alright. Talagang nag-iingay ang Miss Cosmo. Okay, play na natin to. So, eto na guys. Alright. Wow, ganda niya, no? Block Barbie. Wow, sino siya? Si Miss Thailand ba to guys? Comment down below. Walang name eh. Kung anong country. She is really beautiful. Ang ganda nilang lahat, no? Wow, very beautiful. Ito din, sobrang ganda niya, no? Wow, ang gaganda ngayon, no? Sobrang gaganda ng mga kandidata ng Miss Cosmo. Ito si Miss Thailand. Yeah, si Miss Thailand to. Sorry. Yung kanina. Oh. Wow, ang ganda niya, oh. Okay, she's really beautiful. Wow, very beautiful. I like her hair and her skin color. Nice. She's pretty. Wow. I like her skin color. Wow, she looks like a Barbie doll. Ooh. She looks like a princess. I like her smile. She's really beautiful. Oh, I like her eyebrows. Oh, very beautiful eyes. Oh my God, our very own Miss Atisa Manalo. She is really beautiful. Nice. I like her nose. Very pointed. Oh, another Block Barbie. She's really beautiful. Okay. Wow, I like her eyes. Oh, beautiful smile. She's really beautiful. Nice. Oh, Frankie, Miss New Zealand. Actually, she is half Filipina. Wow. I like her smile. Whoa, very beautiful. Nice eyes. Oh, I like the hair, the curly hair. Oh, very beautiful. Wow. She is very cute. Oh, very beautiful. Oh, this is Malaysia. She looks like Barbie. Nice earrings. I like the hair. Wow, very beautiful. The eyes, it's so beautiful. Oh, who is she? She is very beautiful. I'm so sorry guys if you hear something noisy here in my video. Oh, but another Block Barbie. Oh, wow. Very beautiful. Wow. Oh my God, she is very cute. Very beautiful. Wow, I like these shots. Very beautiful shots. Oh my God, her hair. It's so beautiful. Wow, another Block Barbie. Okay, she's really beautiful. I like the necklace. Wow, the smile. Very pretty. Nice. I like her the color of hair. Wow. I like the dress, the smile, and the eyes. Perfect. Nice one. I like the shots. Very beautiful. Very photogenic. Oh wow. Wow. She is really beautiful. Ooh. Very beautiful. Wow, I like her smile. Very beautiful, very photogenic. Oh, who is she? She's really beautiful. Wow, very beautiful, very angelic face on the screen. Wow, this is Cambodia, right? She's really beautiful. Oh my god, she looks like Barbie. Nice one. This is so beautiful. Wow. I like the hair, the skin color. Oh, who is she? Very beautiful. Oh, another beautiful. The face card is really, really beautiful. Whoa, another. Ah. Yeah. Wow. Actually guys, lahat ng candidates ng Miss Cosmo ngayon, talagang sobrang ganda nilang lahat, no? Talagang lahat sila high caliber na pwede talagang ipanlaban sa international pageant, no? And yeah, panoorin natin guys ang Miss Cosmo at isupport din natin ang Miss Cosmo. Sino yung mga bet nyo dito guys na manalo para sa Miss Cosmo? Comment down below nga. Ako guys, syempre Philippines. Syempre support natin yung atin. 'Di ba? Miss Maria Atisa manalo, Philippines. Alright. Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo to na malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye!